Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Well, we were going to film like literally 2 videos, but my brother came. Oh, we got corrupt!
It's corrupt, so it's got to be good.
Wait, so deal 20% damage, 10% of the damage is dealt back to you. Ooh!
No! That can't be good.
No, that is good.
Okay, so let's continue with the title.
Yeah, so as I was saying, we had 2 videos that we were supposed to post, but my brother came in both of them and ruined our video. Twice.
Okay, maybe stop complaining about it now.
I'm just trying to explain why we're straight in a game without doing an actual intro. I'll get the bed, you fight them off.
How's one of them already got wood armor? I think that one of them has wood armor. They're so bad.
They've literally just left me to it.
Okay, that went out was easy.
No, behind us! They're using one of those anti-cheats.
Our bed must be weak.
I'm blocking it up like crazy. Like nothing from this angle.
Oh, I died.
You joking? I'm not even gonna... Like, he was using an anti-cheat, so it's not...
Shot in a void would have killed him.
Yeah, I hit him into the void, that's...
There's no way you could go...
Could you drop me some iron so I can get iron armor quickly?
I'm breaking his wall. I don't want him coming back.
We've got to make sure that them kids are out of the game because they have our bed weak. Yes, Fulham! Fulham beat Leeds, which is good because I bet so much on Fulham today. Even though I support Arsenal, I bet a lot on Fulham.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the other generator to get some iron. Because I think it's still dropping. Yeah. Oh, I got 110 iron. I'm gonna get some wood armor.
Why did you break his bridge?
Because then he can't come back.
I'm rebuilding it.
Why?
Wait, Arsenal tied to Southampton. No.
I thought you supported Arsenal.
I do! We tied! That's bad.
Okay, what is this bed defense? Please explain to me what this bed defense is.
Because we had to quickly scrap something together.
I literally...
Oh, they've just got 5 diamonds from me.
Oh man.
I mean, you can't just say oh man at me considering you could have came over and helped, but...
I didn't know you was fighting. We need to communicate more.
You can't say much.
What do you mean?
Definitely nothing.
Did you just see that lag?
Yeah, I kind of did see that. What the hell? You're dead now. Fight me then. Nearly killed them both, but I killed one of the purple dudes.
Yeah, I'm gonna go hunt for the other.
When you're back, I should have you enough to get iron armor, by the way. Yeah.
That's our thing. Wait, what was our thing? Yeah.
Yeah, check the chest, by the way, that's for you.
Our thing just got me killed.
Say thank you, bro. Stop complaining and say thank you, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to her.
We shouldn't leave our bed so open, someone else will get in. Let someone else get in, relax. Stop going for it. Josh.
It's just one last time.
No, you stay back. I got this. I've got a good sword, got some blocks. I got everything. You
Emeralds.
stay in bed defense.
Protect me, I got emeralds.
How much emeralds?
4.
Could you save them up for me to get armor?
I don't know, I'm being chased.
Just try and put them in chest as quick as possible. Have you got them in a chest?
No, I'm not. I've just reached the base.
Are they in a chest now?
Now they are.
What chest is it in?
The chest. Ah, there's people, Help, help, help.
I've got 6 diamonds that I'm about to spend.
Never mind. I'm gonna go hunt from.
Could you grab me another 4 emeralds, please?
There's just one person on its own, and I think I can take him. He's got wood armor, I've got iron. I need that. I eliminated Booty.
Oh, sick. Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
I'm getting all the emeralds I can, while I can. WRL idea.
What, emeralds?
Yeah.
W, I think.
We're at a massive head start in this game. We're 6 minutes in and I can afford diamond armor. Bro lagged in real life. No. Oh yeah, I can give you 4 emeralds because I'm going to have 4 left over.
I'm making this bridge a bit smoother.
Yeah, good idea. You need to make the bed a bit more secure.
That's secure.
It's not.
That way. There's no way.
What do you mean it's secure? I could just break the top. I might go bully some kids now. Look at me. Look how drippy I am. Do you reckon I have full right to bully Red?
No. I'm gonna come with you. But there's full damage in the game.
No! You could just jump off of a 4,000-foot building. Right, did you see that lag?
Yeah.
Don't go without me.
I'm not getting emeralds.
Oh, what? Are you getting diamond as well?
How much is diamond?
8 emeralds. Don't tell me you bring the emeralds from the chest at home.
I got 4 emeralds.
Okay, good, that's enough. He got it all. He needs some milk. I'd hate to lag into the void mid-game. Bim, 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 bim.
We need 4 diamonds for armory.
Yeah, we should buy armory at some point.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get armory.
Wait, can I buy it for a Halloween quest?
There's 2 diamonds in the chest and I've got 2 diamonds on me.
No, I used them to buy
Why?
Why do you think? Don't don't be daft. You know why. Come on, don't be daft. Why? What do you mean? Would you rather have tier 2 generator or armory? It's quite simple, the answer.
Well, I don't really know what armory does.
Yeah, exactly. So why are you, like, reacting badly to it?
But one thing's really good.
Try and get 6 diamonds, because I'm going to try and get another 6 as well.
I'm about to buy armory.
Don't buy it.
Why?
Not worth it.
I'm gonna buy it.
Don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
There's a first aid kit, a spike shell, portable vending machine, a diamond dowel, a boba blaster, a crossbow, and an emerald dowel. All locked
It's
in armor.
called a dowel. It's a Chinese sword.
3, 2.
Don't buy armory.
Why?
It's not worth it. We should try and get tier 3 gen first.
How much is tier 3 gen?
12. I've got 7. Right, we need 1 more. Can you run to that generator and then pass me the diamonds you get? If we don't win this game... Thank you.
And now I'm gonna buy armory, the diamond. I'm gonna buy armory.
I'm going to save up for...
3, 2, 1.
That was a waste, but okay.
Okay, we need 5 emeralds for a diamond sword. Oh, we get emeralds easy now.
Yeah, wait, what? Yo, I'm getting emeralds from tier 3 generator. I just thought it made it go quicker.
Yeah, see, that's gonna be good. You can just sit in there and get everything.
I just found out that you can, like, double click. You can double click the thing you want instead of having to click purchase. Well, I've got all diamond tools now. Do you want to go break you know whose bed?
I want to get a diamond sword first.
I'm going to go break Green's bed.
Okay, well, I'm going to come with you for my diamond sword.
I have a diamond sword already.
Okay, wait up.
No, I'm going into combat with her already.
Wait up!
Nah.
Thank you.
Oh wait, I forgot blocks. 1 sec.
That is scary.
I'm coming. They're not scary. We could just rush over. I have ender pearls.
They're going to hit us off.
I have ender pearls. Josh, go back to our generator, try and get an ender pearl. You have a dowel, run back, quick.
No, let's go, let's go.
You
I
think?
can run.
I've gone in through the back, so he can't run. Hang on.
Ow!
Ow!
I just killed him.
Well, let's go get this bed down as well. Wait, there's a green there.